At a press conference held on the 18th of July 2022, members of the Meghalaya Government Lower Primary School Contractual Teachers Association Mglpscta have threatened to go on a hunger strike if the government does not reinstate them to their former positions. It may be reminded that 600 out of the 1,000 contractual workers had been terminated from their teaching position in January 2020 due to their inability to pass the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test or MTET. Speaking to reporters, the president of the Mglpscta, Birbor Ryangtem, said that the teachers, along with their spouses and children, will go on a hunger strike in front of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma's residence from the 1st of August 2022 should the government not pay heed to their demands. Ryangtem also informed that even after having met the Chief Minister on several occasions, till date there has been no positive response from the government's end. He also alleged that despite termination from their jobs, some of the teachers in Malangkona Secondary Government School and in Dadengre are still continuing in their position. The president of the Teachers Association also expressed his sadness at the passing away of one of the differently abled members due to depression after termination from the teaching position.
Kinohi kai kontrak kiba philaweng kam ho banai January jong snam arjar arpho bakin dang khlat yai khlat nang ne nasla batai ha ka jing shisha kat kong ka jing tep jongi kadon ka kalat ban thung kam kham tam yaki noi kai disable lane kidon ha ka nu department ro han rai nga I ha ka education department amdan ka bakum kata iran saumut kinoi kai kontrak Kibadon jingdunar khotmat wai sarlo puston sangma na po tura wai I miss adalini belalik no nangta I miss alves rani but I miss arisha na po nongstoy hato tangi kinila saumur phimla banle ban thau kila ngibu kane ka wai jingkli hato pisan shar ya ka state daga jingti brute blaine pisan shar ya ka state daga jing tip kusut na ngabo kane ka jing karpat ya ka sarkar wat thang saw ya ka jing tip lam jongi kinoi kai kontrak kade ka kamram jong phi ba phin panbai ki ya ki jirwat ki badon hapo jong ka state khamtam jongi kinoi kai kontrak lara phia thang saw kumni kandon ka ka bama bat ka ba penlong yangi kinoi kai kontrak bangin ha ban sim da ko pat lat lanti te kumta hagani ka por niai karpa bat niai bo jing karpa naka por sa ka por ka literacy rate hapo Meghalaya ka hiar kinoi kai hapo nang hapo state jongi na ka jaka ba kidon saumut menta ladon stang UIR enrollment jo ki khna kanang kiu tahto hakajaka jo saumut lada don tang armut kinohi kai la nam ban ajing stat kuma school langdong dai government LP school yangala saweng iwei no kai la retire sa stang armut manta ki khna ki don lagi pras power chi spa ngot hato la nam ban bahaya ke jingnang jing stat hapo ka jela ka jongi but amdai tang school jonga ki wai ki school ro ki mat ya kata ka ju ke jing lada ka risol hadu menta phimpat ai ngibu ya kini ka por ba ni ai por ya phi RTO ban ai result jangi lada phim ai result yani hapo RTO imban se ban shong sha khan biang sachen amdai shu hamadan ma ki hanrai hayeng sa jong phi yawan ra lang bar ki khon ki kti ki bhai ngasam ki jongi ki mal ki jing jinjar na ka jing punduk kam jong phi lar phila ban ai ja in shong hang tu la kanu kanu sniro lar phi mai ja in sha khan ka ba mot ba ka shitari a jong banai agos ngin sedang ya ka jing ke jongi hayeng sa jong chief minister ban buram jongi